Hey seller, I guess you already have an e-commerce, right? What if you give your user a new full immersive shopping experience? Yeah, I'm talking about VR e-commerce, virtual reality shopping. Imagine your customer in a VR scene surrounded by all the items you sell. The customer has the item at full real size. He can interact with it, he can grab it, touch it, see pop-ups with description, ready for multi-languages, and eventually add the item to a shopping cart. If you want, you can also recreate the background like your shop. But the experience is that the user is in the middle of the scene. He can walk around, he can grab the objects, interact with them at real size before they buy them from home. But the news is also for the seller who constantly go to visit their client. Imagine before you visit your client, you upload by CMS all the items you want to show your client. So you don't need to bring with you catalogs or samples. You go to your client, you put the headset on his heads, boom. Your client is in the middle of the scene, again surrounded with all the items you sell. He can grab the object, he can walk around, he can see the description, eventually he can add the item to a list, wish list, shopping list, cart list, favorite, whatever you call a list. But the point is, your client has all the inventory of the object you sell, all around him. And you don't need to bring with you sample or pile of catalogs. Just a VR headset. Wow. Before you ask, JustVR is the solution to do all this. And JustVR allows you to be independent from developer, updates, and so on. You are in control. By the content management system, you upload the item you want in the app. By the VR app of administration, you put the object in the scene where you want the user find them. The third part is the VR app for user, by which users are in the middle of the scene, they walk around and they can interact with the object. But, as I said, you are independent. You are the one who manages the object via the CMS, and you are the one who put the object in the scene by the VR app of the administration. So you are independent from the developer, from update, and so on. The basic version of JustVR already allows you to make a lot of things, and VR shopping, VR e-commerce, and VR catalogs. Of course, if you need something more tailored on you, just discuss about it and we can build whatever you want. So, click on the link. There is a mini site in which you can find more information, more description, and some video as example of what you can create by JustVR. And if you need extra info, just write an email or send a message via WhatsApp, and as soon as possible, I reply to everyone. JustVR, the template solution that allows you to cut time and cost for building your VR scene for VR e-commerce or whatever could be a VR scene.